Our final scenario for today is seeking help from TAS. Imagine this. You've been battling with the IRS for months over a tax issue stemming from identity theft. You've provided documentation, made countless calls, and you're feeling utterly overwhelmed. What do you do? Today, we're going to explore how TAS can provide support in these challenging situations. Sam and Taylor, let's dive in. Sam, could you tell us what kind of assistance does the Taxpayer Advocate Service provide and who is eligible for their services?
TAS is an independent organization within the IRS dedicated to helping taxpayers resolve tax problems they haven't been able to fix on their own. They assist taxpayers facing significant hardship, including those who are victims of identity theft. For example, imagine someone whose tax refund is stolen due to identity theft, and they're struggling to get the IRS to correct the issue. TAS can advocate for them and work with the IRS to get their rightful refund. Eligibility depends on several factors, like the financial hardship caused by the tax problem and the taxpayer's unsuccessful attempts to resolve the issue through normal IRS channels.
So if I understand correctly, TAS is kind of like a last resort when you've hit a wall with the IRS.
That's a great analogy, Taylor. Think of TAS as your internal advocate within the system, helping you navigate the complexities and get a fair resolution. Sam, how can individuals contact TAS, and what information should they have prepared when seeking assistance?
The easiest way to contact TAS is by calling their national helpline at 877-777-4778. They also have local offices across the country. When contacting TAS, it's crucial to have all relevant documentation readily available. This includes any IRS notices you've received, copies of tax returns, and any records related to the identity theft like police reports or affidavits. Having a clear timeline of events and attempts to contact the IRS will also be helpful.
So if someone suspects they're a victim of identity theft, they should gather all the evidence, contact the IRS initially, document those interactions, and then reach out to TAS if the issue persists.
Exactly. The key is to be organized and persistent. TAS can be incredibly helpful, but they need you to provide them with the necessary information to advocate effectively on your behalf. Let me add that they can also assist with issues beyond identity theft, like problems with IRS notices, tax liens, or appeals. They're really a valuable resource for any taxpayer facing a complex and unresolved tax problem.
That's a valuable point, Sam. It's not just about identity theft, it's about navigating the system effectively. Let's recap. TAS helps taxpayers with unresolved tax issues, particularly those facing significant hardship, including victims of identity theft. You can contact them via their national helpline or local offices. Be prepared with all relevant documentation, including IRS notices, tax returns, and any records related to the identity theft. If you're struggling with a tax issue related to identity theft and feel like you've exhausted all other options, don't give up. Reach out to the Taxpayer Advocate Service at 877-777-4778. They can be a crucial ally in your fight to resolve your tax problems.